do get asked a lot in Pilates, and I think it's something people get really, really hung up about and confused about when they first start, is all the emphasis on the breathing. Now, Jo Pilates, one of his famous quotes is, "Breathing is the first act of life and the last." So it's integral to who we are. We wouldn't be alive if we weren't breathing. So his thought process was that we spend so much time getting really kind of hung up in our lives, being busy. We don't pay as much attention. We don't pay as much attention to our breath as we should, which makes us, a lot of us, very shallow breathers. So obviously I live and work in London, and the thing I notice with all my clients is they are quite shallow breathers. So they're kind of breathing up here. You see shoulders go up and down like this, and it's not good for you. You're not really getting the oxygen through the whole of the body. So we're trying to get the oxygen into the body to help the body function better. So that was one of his key things that he was very, very particular about, is the breath and the breath control. And of course the other thing is that when you do breathe correctly, or in his way certainly, you have to focus, and you really have to concentrate on what you're doing and how you're doing it. And the mere act of doing that stops you thinking about anything else, right? So you can't get distracted. You can't think about what shopping you're going to do later, or that email you should have sent at work. You have to stay focused and concentrating on what you're doing, and that's a really good stress reliever. So that was something he kind of thought about. I mean, it's years ago that he created all this, and it is amazing that it becomes more and more relevant as our lives get more and more busy. So breathing is really, really important. And what I would say is, when you go to your first Pilates class, don't worry about the breathing. A lot of people say, "Oh, I've got it wrong, Rachel. I shouldn't do it like that. I was breathing in when I should have been breathing out. I'm getting really confused." That's okay. Don't worry about it. The point is, just keep doing it. Just keep trying, because it's about building a technique and building an awareness of your breath and your body and how it responds to that. That's how you get stronger, and also it's how you release the muscles and you relax the mind. So don't get hung up on the breathing. Listen to what your teacher tells you and try and just stay focused and keep going, and eventually it will become really, really clear. Now, if you want to see how the breathing relates to the movement, I've got a Pilates video which is all about activating the core. I think it's called How to Activate Your Core. You'll see it. I've got like a little top on so you can see my belly and what's going on when I'm breathing in and when I'm breathing out. So that would be a good one to go look at now after what I've just explained. So I'm hoping that's going to help you. Do let me know, and if you've got any questions you want me to answer, then just fire them over to me and I'll film them for you when I'm next in the studio. All right, so have a fabulous day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.